Not long ago, asking a digital assistant to do something meant giving it one simple command at a time. You could ask for tomorrow's weather, set a reminder, or play your favorite song. But the moment your request became more complicated, the assistant quickly reached its limits. It couldn't truly understand your goal. It couldn't make decisions, adapt to unexpected situations, or complete an entire task without constant guidance. That era is rapidly coming to an end. A new generation of artificial intelligence is emerging, and it's changing what we expect from software. Instead of waiting for instructions every few seconds, these systems can understand an objective, break it into smaller steps, choose the right tools, and work toward a result with minimal human intervention. They're called AI agents, and many experts believe they represent the biggest shift in computing since the smartphone. But what exactly makes an AI agent different from the chatbots and assistants we've been using for years? And why are some of the world's largest technology companies investing billions of dollars to build them? The answer begins with understanding the difference between responding and acting. Traditional AI systems are reactive. They wait for a prompt, generate an answer, and stop. Every new action requires another command from the user. Think of them as incredibly knowledgeable assistants sitting behind a desk, waiting for instructions before doing anything. AI agents operate differently. Instead of responding to a single prompt, they focus on achieving an objective. Imagine telling an AI, "Plan my business trip to Singapore next month while keeping the total cost under $2,000. To understand how this happens, it helps to think of an AI agent as having four major abilities working together. First comes perception. Just as humans gather information before making decisions, AI agents constantly collect data from different sources. They read emails, analyze documents, monitor databases, access websites, process images, listen to spoken language, and even interact with software applications through APIs. The more relevant information they can access, the better decisions they can make. Next comes reasoning. This is where large language models play an important role. Instead of simply predicting the next word in a sentence, modern AI models evaluate context, prioritize information, identify patterns, and determine the most logical next step toward achieving a goal. They're essentially creating a plan before taking action. The third capability is memory. Most traditional chatbots have limited memory within a conversation. AI agents are evolving beyond that limitation. They can remember previous interactions, user preferences, completed tasks, and important context over long periods. That means every future interaction becomes more personalized and more efficient. Finally comes action. This is the capability that truly separates AI agents from ordinary assistants. Instead of only generating text, they can perform real-world tasks by connecting to external tools. They can send emails, create presentations, update spreadsheets, analyze financial reports, write code, schedule meetings, purchase software licenses, or automate entire business workflows. When all four capabilities work together, an AI agent becomes something much closer to a digital employee than a chatbot. We're already seeing this transformation happening across industries. Software developers now use AI agents that can analyze thousands of lines of code, identify bugs, write new features, run automated tests, and suggest improvements before a human developer even reviews the project. Customer support teams are deploying intelligent agents that resolve common problems without human intervention while recognizing when complex situations require escalation to a real person. Healthcare researchers are exploring AI agents that review enormous volumes of medical literature, summarize recent discoveries, compare treatment options, and assist physicians with administrative tasks, allowing them to spend more time with patients instead of paperwork. Financial institutions are using intelligent systems to monitor market conditions, detect unusual transactions, generate compliance reports, and help analysts process information that would normally take entire teams several days to review. Even creative industries are beginning to embrace AI agents. Instead of simply generating images or writing paragraphs, modern creative agents can coordinate complete marketing campaigns, organize production schedules, draft content for multiple platforms, analyze audience engagement, and recommend improvements based on performance data. The technology is evolving from producing individual pieces of work to managing entire workflows. This shift is also changing how businesses think about productivity. For decades, companies improved efficiency by automating repetitive tasks. AI agents introduce a new possibility: automating decision-making processes that previously required human judgment. That doesn't necessarily mean replacing employees. In many cases, it means allowing people to focus on higher-level thinking while AI handles routine coordination, research, and execution. Imagine a marketing manager beginning the day by asking an AI agent to monitor competitors, identify industry trends, generate campaign ideas, prepare performance reports, and organize the week's priorities. Instead of spending hours collecting information, the manager begins with insights already prepared. That's the promise attracting businesses around the world. But as impressive as AI agents have become, they are far from perfect. Because they operate with greater autonomy, mistakes can have much larger consequences. An incorrect recommendation, misunderstood instruction, or inaccurate assumption could affect schedules, finances, or important business decisions if left unchecked. That's why developers are investing heavily in safeguards, verification systems, human approval checkpoints, and transparent reasoning processes. The goal isn't simply making AI more capable. It's making it trustworthy. The next few years will likely determine how successfully these intelligent systems become part of everyday life. The future becomes even more interesting when multiple AI agents begin working together. Instead of relying on one system to handle everything, different agents can specialize in different tasks. One researches information, another analyzes data, a third creates reports, while another reviews everything for accuracy. Together, they function much like a human team, completing complex projects faster than any single assistant could. This approach is already appearing in software development, customer service, finance, and business operations. Companies are building AI systems that can write code, monitor performance, automate repetitive workflows, summarize meetings, and even coordinate with other digital tools without constant human supervision. For everyday users, this could completely change how technology feels. Instead of switching between dozens of apps, you'll simply describe what you want to achieve. The AI agent handles the research, organizes the information, uses the necessary software, and returns with a finished result. Rather than interacting with technology step by step, you'll focus only on the outcome. Of course, giving AI more responsibility also creates new challenges. If an AI agent has access to your emails, calendar, financial information, or company data, security becomes critical. Developers are building stronger safeguards, permission systems, and human approval checkpoints to ensure important decisions remain transparent and trustworthy. After all, an autonomous system is only useful if people can rely on it. Even with these challenges, the momentum is undeniable. Every month, AI agents become better at reasoning, remembering information, and interacting with digital tools. What once required an entire team can increasingly be handled by intelligent software working behind the scenes. History has repeatedly changed the way humans interact with computers. We moved from typing commands into terminals, to clicking icons on desktops, to carrying smartphones in our pockets. AI agents could represent the next major shift, where instead of operating software ourselves, we simply describe a goal and let intelligent systems handle the execution. The era of AI agents has only just begun, and the next generation of digital assistants may become the most powerful productivity tool we've ever created.